Exercise 5.5, problem number 1. A bridge has a parabolic arch that is 10 meter high in the center. So you can see in the picture, this is the parabolic arch, and from the water level it is 10 meters high. It is 10 meters high, and it is given 30 meters wide at the bottom. So this is the bottom is 30 meters wide. Find the height of the arch 6 meters from the center. So this is the center. From the center you have to move 6 meters to the right or 6 meters to the left. Then here, what is the height of the arch? So we have a parabola. This is the parabolic arch. And in the center, center is nothing but the midpoint of the parabola. At that center point, the height is given to be 10 meters and the width at the bottom is given to be 30 meters wide at the bottom. And at the midpoint of the arch, you draw a horizontal line, take it as x-axis, and vertical line, mark it as y-axis. Only with the help of x-axis and y-axis we can name the coordinates of the points on the arch. So because this is the center, it is the vertex. This is the vertex. So the vertex, the y-axis divides the parabola into two equal halves. So on the left side you will have 15 meters and on the right side it is 15 meters. So the point here on the arch is 15, minus 10. Why we are writing minus 10? Because the point lies below x-axis. You have to come down. The downwards direction is indicated by negative sign. The left side point is, because it is left side, it is on the negative side of x-axis, that is on the left side of y-axis. It is minus 15, and once again from the x-axis you have to come down 10 meters, so it is minus 10. So after marking these two coordinates on the arch, from the center you have to move 6 meters to the right and you have to find this height. This height is equal to how much? For that, we will take this distance from the x-axis to the arch as y1. The distance cannot be negative. This distance is y1. And the point here on the parabolic arch, so this point on the parabolic arch can be written as 6, minus y1. Minus y1. Coordinate can be negative, but the distance cannot be negative. Now select any one of these 2 points. We can select either 15, minus 10 or minus 15, minus 10. Because the arch is a down opened parabola, so equation of down open parabola is x square is equal to minus 4ay. Now we have to find the a value by substituting the x value as 15 from this point, x value as 15 and y value as minus 10. Because the point lies on the parabolic arch, it has to satisfy the parabola equation. So since the parabola since the parabola passes through 15 comma minus 10, to find the a value we have to replace x with 15. So x square will be 15 square is equal to minus 4a and y value is minus 10. From this, what is your 4a? 15 square is 225 and minus into minus, this minus into minus will be plus. So 225 divided by 10. You can find the a value as 225 divided by 40, but that is not necessary. We will substitute this 4a in the parabola equation 1. So from 1, the parabolic arch equation is x square is equal to minus 4a value we are substituting here. So 225 by 10 into y. This point, this 6 comma minus y1 also lies on the parabolic arch. Since 6 comma minus y1 lies on the arch, we will replace x with 6, and y with minus y1. So we will get 6 square is equal to minus 225 by 10 into minus y1. Now cross multiply your 10 to the left side and this 225 to the left hand side, and minus into minus will become plus. So when you cross multiply, you are getting 6 square as 36 into 10 divided by 225. On the right hand side, minus into minus y1 is plus y1. From this, we can write what is y1. y1 is equal to, it will be 160 divided by 100. So it is 1.6 meters. I'll explain this. 36 you can write it as 9 into 4 into 10, and 225 we can write as 9 into 25. So 9 will get cancelled, and we multiply numerator and denominator by 4. So 4 into 10 into 4 is 160. 25 into 4 is 100. Now when you cancel 0, it is 16 by 10. 16 by 10 is 1.6 meters. That is the y1 value. Now actually what you have to find, you have to find h. h is equal to what? The height h is equal to, total distance is 10 minus 1.6 is equal to 8.4 meters. Because in the parabola, the midpoint is 10 meters. And you have to find this height. This is y1. So how do you find this distance? Total 10 minus y1 will give you the h value. Therefore, height of the arch 6 meters from the center on either sides is h is equal to 8.4 meters.